Hello everyone. So one of the question about Google Classroom is that how to create a quiz in Google Classroom. So today we are going to create a quiz and let's get started. So first of all, open your Google browser and right here in this icon, four square icon, you can see a lot of Google apps you can use. So you have to click on this drive. So once you have opened this drive, go to the new right here, and in the drop down menu go to the more and select Google Forms. So now on this Google Form you can create your quiz. So first I will rename my quiz by clicking right here in untitled form. So I will rename it by quiz 1, and in the description you can add description for the students which is necessary for the students. So I have some kind of instructions for my students, so I will paste it here, like manage your time, maximum time allowed is 40 minutes, and if the student thinks the problem is not clear, he may solve the problem based on his assumptions. And you can change the color of your quiz by clicking right here. So you can change the theme color, like you can change it to red, orange, yellow, blue, and you can also change the background color, like this one and white. So I will use this one. So now we will change the necessary setting for our quiz. So for that, just click on this setting icon right here. Here you can see the different type of settings. So if you want to collect the email addresses of the students, you can check this icon right here, and I need the email addresses of the students, so I will check this one, and then I will check this one too, so that each student can submit only one response, and it will also require sign into Google. Okay, and what you have right here is edit after submit. If you want that the students can also edit after the submission, you can check this one. I'm not going to check this one because I'm not going to allow students to edit the quiz after the submission. So next, in the presentations, you can check this show progress bar. I'm going to check this one because the students will get notified by progress bar that how much quiz they have done and how much quiz they have left. So you can also add a confirmation message like congratulations, you did it. So in this section you can make this one a quiz by just clicking right here. So after clicking this one, you can make this one a quiz, and after you click this one you have these kind of options. You can like release mark, whether you want to release your marks of the student immediately after each submission or in later after manual review. So I will check this one later after manual review. You can also check these three for the respondents, that how many questions they have left, how many questions they have correctly answered, and then you can save it. Now here you can create your test by clicking this add question, and you can also make different sections by clicking this one. You can also add a video link by clicking this icon, and you can also add an image by clicking this one. So Let's start with a question. So I will add a question like this one. I will make my first question is a short answer, and the question is name and registration number, and here you can must change this one to required field so that every student must enter his or her name right here. Then I will create my first question like when output is. So here by clicking this one you can triangular wave or sine wave or rectangular wave or spikes. So you can see there are 4 options, and this is a multiple choice question. Now you don't need to make this one a required field, and you can make this the answer key for this question by clicking right. So I know the right answer is spike, so I will make this one right answer, and you can also add point for the right answer is 5. So I will make 5 points for the right answer of this question and make it done. So here you can see I have created a multiple choice question. Then you can again add a question, and this time I am not going to make this one a multiple choice question but a short question, and the question is explain the difference between rectifiers and precision rectifiers. Okay, and you can also, if you think that the question is long, you can make this one answer a paragraph, so the student can type a long answer here. So if you want to make this the answer key for this question, you can make the answer key for this question. I'm not going to make the answer key for this question. You may not make this one a required field. So once you have create your quiz, you can send it to by email. So I'm not I didn't remember the email of all the students, so I'm not going to add email addresses right here. What I will do is I will copy the link of this quiz, and then I will open my Google Classroom, and right here in Google, here you can see these are my classes. So if I will choose this one, so go to the classwork, now go to the create quiz assignment. Here title is quiz 1. You can add instructions here, whatever you want the instructions. So now add a link and paste your quiz link here and add this link here. So once you have this quiz 1, then you can make total points. So like total points, I will make it to 10, 20 or whatever you need, and you can schedule it day and date. So I will make today, if I will make today, and the time is on optional, simply assign to the all the students. Okay, so if I will assign it, so now here you can see that the quiz 1 is assigned to everyone. Okay,